So for HA systems, when you are working on the replication part, HA system, when you are working on the replication part, so you need to, take care of the replication. Replication, you need to break it here while doing the restore and recovery. You need to break the replication here. That is the main thing here. We need to work it out here, right? So that is a very important here. So I have broken the replication. So then, why? Because connectivity, we have to break it. That's what we have to do it here. Now, first of all, let's check the, here one more person, we have created the TDB, 1080 So that's fine. So first of all, we'll check the catalog here. If we go to the here, you can see here in the backup catalog, so we have the 11, 12, 12 backups are there here. So system DB, like check the 1080 backups, 1080 also we have the backups are there here, right? So what about the delta backups here? Delta backup means incremental backups and everything here. So we have full DB backup up to September 12. I think all are the full DB backups only. Then, so let's try to take the one more full backup here. One more full DB incremental backup. I will take it here. Incremental backup. I will take it in the same catalog location here. So where these backups are locating here? The main thing is here. One person is taking to the USR, SAP, HDB, GPNR.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Uh,
GPNR,
can you
GPNR.
tell me what is the difference between that three backups?
I already explained it, right? The difference between, I already in the two classes I explained already difference between the three classes, the three backups. I already explained it regarding this one. Okay. So you can just check my previous one. I already explained about the three. So this backups and recovery. So I already
Okay, sir.
explained. Hmm. So here complete DB backup. So media backup HDB. First of all, we'll take the complete DB backup. Why? Because here the only one more reason also here multiple locations we are creating the backups locations. So then how the catalog will read from which location and everything. That is also one point here we need to discuss, right? So multiple locations it is getting created here. So in that case, I will take the full DB backup now in one location. One location I will take the full DB backup. So complete DB backup, the media backup here. So but the path should be required here, the configuration of the path here. So backup destination, media backup, and file system based backups, regular interval every 5 minutes. So it should be 15 minutes. Okay, that's it. Let's keep it the same. Yeah, here you can see that this is the catalog. In the catalog, you will see the which backup, what time, and what is the location. All the information you can see it here. All the information you can see it here. So let's try to take catalog. Let's try to take the, while recovering it will ask the, let me try the recovery while because recovery is pointing to the one more location. So that time that we don't have the backups are available, so that time it will show here, right? So let's say let's take the full DB backup now by default path here, right? Full DB backup here, backup of the system database here, tenant database here. So let me take create here. So complete DB backup here. Cannot open permissions. Okay. Disk full error. So we have the error slash media backup HDB slash media. Okay. So let me try to remove these backups. All the backups I am removing. Backup of the tenant database. HDB, this one, this one. Not open the file here. So some permission issues, I guess. HDB area. Yes, some permission issues. So what I can do here, I can switch to the root user. Then I will go to the this path here. Then I will try to remove the old backups here. Okay. Then I can go to the go back and give the full permission here. Go back and give the full permissions to the this folder here 777. That's why we discussed about the see here BGP ADM it's recognized and here so the ownership is different here. Ownership is different. So that is the reason. So it's unable to store the data here, unable to load the data here. So let's give in the full permission here, right? So then right click, go to the backup recovery, backup of the tenant database here, backups here, just take the backup here, right? See here now it is backup is running now. So there may be a file folder permission issue. So that is the reason folder permission issue. So it's unable to read that folder destination here. Right. So this is done. So now what I will do here after the backup is done, right? After the backup is done, again, I will take the incremental backup. Okay. Let's see how to recover the say at the same time. So incremental backup also, right? That is the our test we want to do it, right? So incremental backup. So like differential backup, whatever it may be, incremental backup, right? So incremental backup here. So incremental backup also done. It's very quick. So why? Because so only incremental backup, it's very quick. See here, your complete DB backup and incremental backup is taken here. So in complete backup, incremental backup is taken now. Now I want to restore, I want to recovery. Then so recover the tenant database here. So just select the tenant here, go back. So here it is in the backup catalog. It is in the backup catalog. It is in the backup catalog here. So right, it is in the backup catalog. So what we can do, so if you use the most recent state, then it will refer the what is there in the backup. Okay, let's explore the option here. Let's explore the option here. But search the backup catalog in the file system only. Our backup catalog is different here, right? So this is what I'm looking where it is referring the backup catalog here. This is the backup catalog which is referring here. So backup catalog in the file systems, backup log. So okay, let's keep it the same. Go back, copying the database here. So it should come now. It should come now. This show the backups were recovered, backup catalog as successful. The top is estimated to have the shortest recovery time here. The backup will be recovered to the most recent state here. See here, what is the backups? It will come here. What is the backup? It will come to the here. Okay, see here now in the catalog, all the backups are all the backups are read here. All the backups it is readed in the catalog here. You can see here. So, but where is the incremental backup here? Right? There is no incremental backup here. So you have complete DB backup, which I created here. No, not here, not today's backup. I think today's backup is there here, right? Complete DB backup. Today's backup is available here. So we got the here. So we got the backup here, but complete DB backup is coming here. Complete DB backup is coming here. So then what next after that? So let me go back, go to here, then log location here. This is the log location here. Then Here, so use the delta backup. Use this option if you want to recover the using the delta backups. So use the delta backups here. Okay. So here it is using the only the backup point in time recovery and log backups. So backup ID it is referring. This is the backup ID and this is the log backup location and the log of the backup is here. So that is fine. But how to recover after the full EB backup? How to recover the incremental backup? So where is that incremental backup is coming here? It's not coming the incremental backup here. So let me check here backups. Here also the full DB backups are coming here. So incremental backups are not getting readed here. So not getting read here. Maybe first we have to do this one. Otherwise, without catalog, is it without catalog? That is available in the catalog. Without catalog, go back. So here in the backup catalog, in the media, we need to give the this one up to here. So incremental instead of incremental data backup. Just only recovering the incremental backup. Incremental backup. Just trying the recovering the incremental backup here. So no, recovery could not be completed. So okay, unsupported disk error, unsupported file systems here. No such file or directory here. INC data backup. INC is referring to the INC data backup. INC data backup incremental. INC data backup 000 _1. So it is referring the format like this one. It is referring here. It is referring the format like this, but it is not accepting the this format here. So what I can do here, I can rename these files to. I can rename the files to. I can rename the files to. So manually, I am renaming the files to the. So like this, I am renaming the files here. Right? You can see here. We have to rename same as like that naming conventions. We have to rename here. Then this one to the 2_1. Why? Because after the okay, I want to recover only incremental backup, right? I want to recover the only incremental backup. I don't want to use the full DB backup here. I don't want to use the full DB backup. I want to do only this one. So in this case, in the format level, I'm just so renaming to the so incremental data backup. So like that. So I have so INC data backup. I have renamed it here. Okay. So then start the new recovery. So recover to the specific data backup, right? So then without catalog, then so here it is asking the backup name. So what I can do here, I can give the up to here, okay? Up to here, just click on the OK button, click on the OK button and finish. See here, it will use the recovery command only, right? Recover the database for the DB using the file clear log. So which means it will use the recovery backup only here. So here, see, let's see here whether it will start the recovery or not here. Yeah, no. data access save point and from full DB backup. So could not be completed. Could not be completed. Unexpected previous backup ID from full backup equal to false. So there is a unexpected reach in the log position.
The owner be changed. The owner need to change. No? The owner also that.
Owner rights not required, but let's ownership is already HDB ADM, right? Why we should change? It's not the permission issue. If it is a permission issue, we can check it on it. Here the thing is save point version M full backup. Save point version is wrong here. So save point version issue here, not the full DB backup. Save point version here. Oh, database is offline. Okay, that's fine. Recover to the specific data backup means our incremental backup. I want to recover to the our incremental backup here. So incremental backup means it will come like this one. So INC, so data backup, INC incremental backup. So then use this button. Let's see one more time here. Reach the log position. Recovery could not be completed because random tree reach log position. Unexpected previous backup ID from full backup is equal to cognizant previous backup ID. So unexpected recovery could not be completed, not open the file, access. Okay. Let's try to give the permission then.
DB and storage DB there is owner is difference. DGD.
Yeah, owner is different, but I given the full permission. I given the full permission, but at least it should recover, right? At least recover it. So maybe that may require the first full backup. We have to restore it. Then after that, subsequent incremental backup. So let's see. Let's try it this way also. Why? Because first full backup,
This way already I tried, sir.
it's not working.
Yes, sir. So that time only I got that question. Why we need to only without catalog?
Complete data backup. Yes, 13, 1, 2. Without catalog means full DB backup it will come. Okay, let me try without catalog. Okay, complete DB backup. First, we'll try to restore the complete DB backup. Then subsequent backups we have to restore it. So then first try to restore the complete DB backup. Otherwise, save point version, it may come the mismatch, something like that. I think let's see from our case here. Right. So yeah, this procedure, so we are looking, right. So right, so that's why we will take the full DB backup now. Full DB backup I am taking now. So full tenant DB backup I am taking now with the default location. Right, full database backup, then full DB backup. So done. Okay, so we have taken the full DB backup here. So let's take the timestamp of the backup here when you have taken the full DB backup here today, right? 6:50 you have taken the full DB backup here now, right? So the delta backups also, there is no delta backup after the full DB back 6:50 backup. So the log backups, so there is a one log backup happened here after the 6:50, 6:51 log backup happened, but 6:50 we have a full DB backup happened, right? Full DB backup here. This is the backup ID here. So this is the backup ID, full DB backup ID. This is the backup ID here, right? This is the backup ID here. So then create the data. Maybe let's simple test we will do it here. Maybe we will create the one user, one dummy user we will create it. So anyhow, anything is data, right? Small data we will create here. Like basis 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, something like that I'm creating here, right? Just I'm giving the one dummy user I'm giving here, right? So just click on the OK button, right? This is created. This is created here. The data is committed here now. Basis 1, 2, 3 data is committed. But immediately we should not take this one. Immediately we should not take the backup here. So we have to wait for some time. We have to wait for so maybe 5 minutes. Why? Because the save point should occur, right? The save point should occur here. So then only the data will come to the your data folder, right? Am I right? Right? So then only the data comes to the here. So then we'll monitor the save point when the save point happens or not here, right? So then go to the your OS level, just check the in the trace directory. In the trace directory here, go to the trace directory. So then go to the HDB here. Okay, HDB here. Then here you can see here. So index server dot trace file here. Index server dot trace file here. Index server dot trace file here. Then you see here the save point here. There is a unsupported file system here. Unsupported file system here. Type is unsupported ext4. Unsupported is ext4 is unsupported. Maybe. Okay. So when was the last save point version? SP version. Save point version 3778. 3778. So backup dropped here. So but wait for the one more save point more. One more save point here. So okay, because clearing the backup snapshot save point version 3779. Okay, so 3779 the save point version. So let's wait for so one more save point here 3780. So we have to wait for one more save point to coming here, but that will happen every 5 minutes, I guess. Save point. What is the save point interval? Let's set here. So say go to the here backup. That is the log backup. Oh, save point happens every 15 minutes, right? So that's the reason. By default, it's like every 15 minutes the save point will happen here. So log backup, see, every 1 minute it is happening here, but it's not required every 1 minute here. So log backups is required the every 15 minutes here. That is the main thing here.
Sir, how to change the save points at that time?
Save point parameter, we have to change it here. We have to go to the database level. So there is a save point interval. Go to the configuration tab. What we do? Go to the here. There is save point interval. Save point interval. There is a parameter here. Save point interval here. So I think 300 means it's 15 minutes, right?
Yeah.
Log replace save point here.
5 minutes, sir.
5 minutes. Okay, 5 minutes we change it, right?
5 minutes.
Yeah, I think this is the one, I think. So 5 minutes. So let's see, is the one more save point. 3780. So where is the 3780 here? Log backup 900 seconds. Original value is 300 seconds. Okay. Yeah, what we are doing, we are waiting for the save point. Save point should happen here. Save point should happen here. So then only we can take the full DB, then only we can delete it. So no, yeah, let's see here. So these steps, wait for the 5 minutes for the save point. Okay, create the data, that is done. We created the data, done. Wait for the 5 minutes for save point. Then create the incremental data, incremental backup. Create the incremental backup. Create the incremental backup. Okay, that is fine. So I think save point is happening here, right? Restart log position. Save point is happening here. Okay, let me take it here. Save point also done. Go to the here backups. So take the backup of the tenancy database again. So HDB, right? So then here take the incremental backup here. So incremental backup here, done. Okay, incremental backup also done speedily. So right, incremental backup also done here. So now you delete the data here. Whatever you created in the tenant DB, you delete it here, right? We delete it. We will delete it here. So we'll delete here. So something is happened. So someone deleted something. Now you need to recover it here. So we need to recover it here. So now this is done. So incremental backup, this is also done speedily. Now delete the data. This is also done here now. So now we need to, point number 6 is the very important here. So how we want to proceed here? Recover directly incremental backup or full DB backup here. So recover here. So here everything you have to do it from the system DB only here. Go to the backup. So recover the tenant database. Recover the tenant database. So if you give, so I thought we need to recover the, first we need to recover the this one. So first we need to recover the, so full DB backup. Then only incremental backups we have to recover it, right? That is the, so main thing, right? So that is the main purpose of the backups here, right? First, so we have to do the full DB backup. Then after changes, whatever the changes are done, so those changes will come to the here, right? Incremental backup, this one. So let's try to recover the full DB backup here. Okay, so full DB backup here, full database backup, we will recover it here. Why? Because we want to recover it here. So that is there in the, so incremental backup. After full backup, we have taken the that user, right? After full backup, you have taken the user now. After full backup, you have taken the user. So we'll try now. We'll check now. Okay. So this is the backup ID 7898399839. So that is the backup ID. Okay, backup ID. We are going to recover that one. Okay, this is done. So after this done, just check the whether your data there or not. Whether your data is there or not, just check it out here. Right? Just check it out here. Data is available or not. Here, there is no data here. So now what we can do here, again, go to backup recovery, recover the tenant database. Now this time we'll give the subsequent incremental backup here, right? Subsequent incremental backup here. So let's try to give that one subsequent incremental backup here. So location is this one. Then so this is the incremental backup here, path prefix. But prefix is wrong here. But let's see. No. INC data backup, incremental data backup. Okay. So it is referring the different, it is referring the different naming convention. You can see here different naming convention here. Data underscore backup, incremental to incremental, then data underscore 01. Just hold on few minutes. Let me convert this one. We'll quickly wrap up. Okay. So what I'm doing, I'm converting the backup into this format here, right? So the readable format, I'm trying to convert the backup here. Incremental data backup underscore 2_1. Then move this one. So 1_3_2_ is the name server, index server, access engine. These files are related to the those things here. So that's why 1_2_3_1. So incremental. So I have given here. Start the new recovery here. So let's go to this one, backup catalog. Let's give the incremental backup. Okay. So try to recover now. Now recovery could not be completed. Volume 3 reached the log position. So it's not happening. Unexpected previous backup ID, something it is showing. Let me note down this one. Note down this one. Note down this one. Okay. So we'll see then tomorrow. Okay. I will check this one. We got